Where to buy the spring and pin for your hair clipper or the hair jaw clipper. So if you lost the pin or the spring, then you can purchase them online. Now a number of people have asked me where to purchase this spring. So here on my phone, I'm just gonna put in hair jaw clip spring and pin in Google. So you put in this keyword and then tap on the search button, and you should be able to find it in here. So you can buy them on eBay. So from eBay, you got it from eBay or from AliExpress. So if you go to AliExpress, you can also purchase them as well. So here I open up AliExpress. You can see it is available. It is exactly the same pin. They are fairly cheap in a pack of 4. And you can purchase the spring to replace this spring here if it's gone or missing, or even the pin. So it comes in a pack with the pin and the spring. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now if you don't know how to put this together after you got them, all you have to do is with the clipper, with the hair clip, you just put it in like this, and then you put this pin in first. So the pin goes in like this first. So you push them through like so, and then after that you put the spring in. So the spring needs to be facing up like this, so not down but up like that. So it needs to be up like that, and then you put it in here. So you need to put it all the way down like this. Now this one here is already a bit broken. So you put in like this. Now as I said, this one is already a bit broken, but with your working one, you can put the pin in like that, and then you put the spring in the middle, and then you push it down. If you have a plier, it will be easier. Now I don't have a plier here, so I'm just going to do it by hand, but you just push it right in, and then you have the pin run through the spring like so. So you have it like that, and then the spring goes in the middle, and then you push it all the way through like so. And then you want to push the pin all the way in to the other side. So once you get to the other side, then you're able to use it like that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.